What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if an Instagram account is verified. And I'm going to show you for someone else's account and also for your particular account. Now as you can see, I'm in the Instagram app here, and in order to identify if an account is verified, right beside the profile name you will see a blue badge with the check mark, as you can see for this account here, the FC Barcelona account. And I'm going to scroll on and show you a few more. If I can come across another one, here's another one that is verified. So I'm going to click on the profile here. And once you're on the profile as well, you'll be able to see the check mark as well. Now you can check this further by simply clicking on the three dots on the upper right hand side and then click about this account. And from here, you will be able to see the date when this account was verified. Now, how do you check this for your particular account? You want to click your profile icon on the lower right hand side. Then you click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side and then you click on Account Center. From here, you want to scroll down to where it says Meta Verified, as you can see there. You want to click on that and you'll be able to see here if your account is verified, you will see it. However, if you're not verified, you can go through the process to get your account verified. So you simply want to click on Next and then you want to choose your profile. You will see the option there that says sign up for this profile, and you will see the benefits and the price that you have to pay to have your account verified. And if you so desire to want to continue the process, just simply click continue and you will continue the process until it's done. Very easy and very simple.